night quite like yet. And there was rockers on the stereo, just me and you in that little back room. We felt the rapture of substance and sound. Are we all wrapped up? Hey, are we all wrapped up? And if I died right then, yeah, I would overstand a conception of original man. I took a ride and left the earth behind, and we got high the day we went to Zion. I took a ride and left the earth behind, we got high the day we went to Zion. Words in these songs, they do inspire. The one Peter Tosh, he set our minds on fire. We passed a pipe of peace that summer night. Right then and there, everything was alright. There is something inside of a song, just for a moment standing 10 feet tall. And if we died right then, we'd stay in Zion, my friend, above our bones with the souls of all men. I took a ride and left the earth behind, we got high the day we went to Zion. I took a ride and left the earth behind, we got high the day we went to Zion. We built a big round castle out of big red words, together with the glow of human soul. The meaning of life as we understand. Oh, yeah, yeah. You took my breath away. It took my